Welcome to Wigglesticks TV.
So the frame's been sitting here for a little while. Haven't really done much to it since we polished it up last time, but this little dent is still sort of irking me a little bit. And on one of the marketplaces the other day, I think I found a solution that can not fix it, but at least aesthetically make a difference. And that is a frame protector. So carbon fiber frame protector, super light, and got one for both sides. So I think that will look pretty. Yeah, that will look pretty good. And still trying to figure out the best way in lighting in here, but yeah, at least you see it now with the carbon fiber, and then it's either that or you see the little digging there. So I think that's probably a pretty good aesthetic solution and just an extra touch, I guess. So we're just in the garage today looking at some of our parts from the other day that we got off Gumtree. This radiator looks pretty good. What I can see, better than the other one I had anyway. There's a few, let me fix the light up here. There's a few little dings and stuff in it, as you would expect. Good thing is it has the plug that I didn't have on the other radiator. Yeah, we're also testing the GoPro new mic on the back of the media mod. So it'll be interesting to see what this audio looks like, or sounds like rather than looks like. This is off a bike that was spray painted black in the first place, so yeah, we'll see. So this is one of the other parts we got out of that Gumtree parts bin, stator. Not really sure what it's supposed to look like, but it looks, in terms of how to figure out what the condition is. I've also got the GoPro media mod light on here as well, just trying to see what this footage actually looks like. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look, did a bit of research, but it doesn't look in too bad condition to me, other than all the plugs and everything have been cut off the end, but that normally happens with these. It's a common fail on the SRADs where the rectifier melts itself. The rectifier is actually over here as well. So you can see these crappy little connectors and everything that whoever tried to hack this together has not done the best of jobs with it. But you know, all you gotta do is connect all the black wires together, and then the positive and negative go to the battery. Yeah, so we might try and connect that up and see. We'll clean it first because this is just full of crap. Yeah, we'll see how we go.